Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to contact support in the Falou app on your mobile device. This is useful if you are having issues with your account or need help accessing your data from another device. First, open the Falou app on your mobile phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the Progress section. After that, go to the top right corner and click on the Settings icon. Then, from List, click on I Need Help. After that, select the option How to Access from another device. Here, you will see an email address provided by Falou that you can use to send a message directly to their support team. Finally, open your email app, compose your message, and send it to the provided email address explaining your issue. Following these steps ensures your message reaches the right team and helps you get assistance as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.